Hello everyone, it's Justin Oakley from Oakley Home Access again, your full-service home modification company focusing on aging in place, increasing accessibility, and fall prevention in the elderly community. This week I want to talk to you about an accessibility piece of equipment that goes a long way when a aluminum modular ramp or an exterior stair lift is not an option. Now, it's called the vertical platform lift. Now, this essentially is the most streamlined way to create barrier-free entrance. An individual simply rolls on in a wheelchair or walks on to the platform, hits a button, and the platform raises up to the flush level landing where they can enter the home through the doorway. Now, oftentimes we install modular ramp systems, which are great solutions. However, sometimes if the rise is greater than 3, 4, 5 steps, you end up with a lot of aluminum in order to make a nice gradual ramp. Oftentimes in garages or in homes in urban areas, there's not enough space for an aluminum modular ramp. So a vertical platform lift is a really nice alternative. You only need about 5 by 8 feet surface area for a vertical platform lift. Now, this also saves a lot of energy when we talk about manually rolling up and down a ramp or walking up and down a ramp. Some individuals do not have that capacity or a caregiver that can assist with climbing the ramp and going down the ramp. So simply rolling onto and off of a vertical platform lift and hitting a button is going to be a much better solution. Now, as an alternative to a automatic stair lift, it eliminates the need for an individual to transfer out of their wheelchair onto the stair lift, take the ride up, and then again they'd have to transfer off of the stair lift at the top. It's a great solution for a lot of individuals. Much of a space saver is the stair lift. However, when that transfer is a big deal and an individual may only transfer out of the wheelchair once or twice a day, it's a big deal to transfer in and out of a stair lift. So there's an alternative, the vertical platform lift again. The individual is going to be able to roll or walk directly onto, hit a button, and go right to the top of the even surface. You can see and read a lot more about this on our website, oakleyhomeaccess.com. Our Facebook page, just search Oakley Home Access. Give us a like, follow along. A lot of tips are always being released and photos of our work. Please call us, 401-743-5895. We can discuss a wide variety of options for access to the home. Vertical platform lift is a great solution, especially in garages because they do require a concrete level pad, which is already provided naturally in a garage by design. So please give us a call anytime to arrange a free home safety assessment. And again, oakleyhomeaccess.com for a wide variety of information. Again, Oakley Home Access is your full-service home modification company focusing on aging in place, fall prevention, and increasing accessibility throughout the elderly community. Thanks. See you next time.